Peace and love. My name is Maya Luisa, and I've been making waist beads since I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder and designer of Cole Jewel, and I'm going to share with you my unique technique for how to measure the waist for waist beads. So if you want to learn how to measure your waist for waist beads, grab your soft measuring tape and a chair, and let's begin. So first things first, some people like to wear their waist beads up here on the actual waist, which is like way up here. Some women like to wear their waist beads on their tummy, which is here. I highly suggest that you wear your waist beads on your natural waist. This is where it's going to feel the most comfortable, it's more sexy, and it's just beautiful. So how do we find our natural waist? Stand up nice and tall. Let your belly kind of just hang out. I know when we're measuring our waist, we tend to like hold the belly in. Let your belly hang out. Bring your pointer finger and start to feel, where is the top of my underwear line? Once you get a feel for where it is, I want you to grab that measuring tape starting at 0 or 1. You're going to lay the measuring tape along the top line of your panties. Find it. Make sure that the measuring tape is not all crumpled in the back, that it's just nice and flat, laying along the top line of your panties. This is the preferred space for where your waist beads can hang, where they can lay nicely so that they're not sliding down the hip, they're being nice and held on your natural hip line. So once you find that spot where they're laying on the top line of the panty, what you're going to do is you're going to hold it in place with one hand. Make sure that you're breathing, make sure that your belly is nice and soft. You're not holding it in. Let it all out. Let it feel comfortable, okay? Next, you're going to grab your chair. Take a chair. So you have your chair. You're going to hold that one. Hold it in place. So you're going to grab your chair. You're going to hold it in place. While holding it in place right here, hold it. And then you're going to take a seat. Feel, is it feel comfortable? Is it rolling up? Is it falling down? Make sure that it feels nice and comfortable. You can make a few adjustments here. Maybe you want it a bit more snug. Maybe you want it looser. Make sure that your belly is hanging out. From there, stand back up. Again, make sure the belly is nice and relaxed. And you're going to take that finger. That is where your waist bead measurement is. And that's how you measure your waist for waist bead.